Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. So let's see what's coming up, guys, for your daily energies, for your career situation and your relationship. So these are the cards for your daily energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And one card from the Oracle Guidance, the Angel Oracle Guidance. So we will open these cards as we proceed, Cancers. So let's start with these cards, guys. It's Moon, Fish, and Choices. So, with these cards, Cancers, in your situation, you are having lots of choices, offers, or opportunities coming your way, maybe in your career or in this relationship. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you find people interesting you, and you are um, finding the right choice for you guys. Not these choices are not something good or bad. These It just means that what is true to your intention, what you truly feel. So if that choice is true to your intention and motive, it is going to take you towards something positive in life, guys. So some good choices in your some right choices in your career or personal life, that is going to push you towards that positive change today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may have some intuition about something. So maybe when you are making some important decisions today, you may have some intuitive guidance showing you what is the right choice. So if you have that guidance, or if you have that intuitive nudges, or you may be seeing some having some dreams about something, about your future life. So whatever it is, if you have that intuition, you have to listen to it, guys. That is also what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are indulging in some activity. Maybe too much of something is always bad. So you have to go in for moderation, guys. So maybe it may be some bad habits, or it may be some behavior, something like exercise or dieting, whatever it is. If it is something good, you can go for it, but if it is something harmful, you have to go in for moderation, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your daily energy, Cancers. Let's see what is this card for your relationship, guys. Dog. So, this card just means that this person is true to you, they are dedicated to you, devoted and loyal. You can trust them, guys. Maybe if you had some confusion about them, you can trust them. That is what I see. So, they are loyal to you. Are you reciprocating that trust and devotion to them, guys? That is what I see with these cards. So you need to question yourself whether you are having that same level of devotion and dedication as they are having on you. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Cancers. Garden. So with this card, it's a positive card here, Cancers. It just means that in your career situation, things are proceeding in a harmonious way, and maybe you are celebrating with your colleagues the beginning of some new project or some deals. Whatever it is, you are happy for it and you are celebrating it. So let's see what is the guidance for your Cancers. Courage. So with this card, guys, It just means that we have to have that perseverance and strength in our heart, no matter what our situation is. Have that determination, confidence in our situation, standing firm in our place. So, that does not mean that we have to control or ignore others, but we have to have that conviction in us to empower our choices. So, stand up for ourselves, stand up for what we believe in. So, we have to, at the same time, we have to have that compassion for others, let others also talk about their views and convictions. So, when we have that kind of understanding and compassion with the people in our lives, we will be able to love and support them with that strength we have. So, we have to have that confidence in ourselves, guys, and also we should support other people in our lives to show that confidence and strength no matter what the situation is. So, that is the guidance here with these cards, Cancers, and that is the reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.